Hi, I'm Jeff from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today we're going to look at all the Lincoln car deals and leasing offers this month. Be sure to hit subscribe to get early access to the latest car deals across all car brands every month. Here are the Lincoln Cashback deals for February 2020. I'll leave each of these slides up for 5 seconds. Just pause the video if you need more time. Here are the Lincoln leasing offers for February 2020. Here are the Lincoln financing deals for February 2020. Now, if you want to see the full list of all manufacturer deals this month, look below this video for the link. And it's important to remember that an incentive doesn't mean the lowest car price. To truly get the best deal, get prices from several car dealers at once on FindTheBestCarPrice.com. You'll find that dealers will give you even better deals when they need to win your business from their competitors. And be sure to hit the subscribe button to be the first to hear about next month's car deals.